Okay, since this is the same as yesterday, I'm going to work kind of fast, but I am going to show you a bunch of different types of examples that they can do. All right, first thing is label A, B, and C. Sorry about my pen. X method. So remember, here's, I'll write it up on top. The X method has B here, AC here, divide by A, divide by A. You should have your notes with you while you're doing this, right? But we're putting that in. So 13 goes here, 2 times 6 goes here, and then divide by 2 goes here. Right, what are the factors of this? Well, 2 times 6 is 12. I'll do that first. I'm going to show you a different way to deal with this. But for right now, 2 times 6 is 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. After that, it's 4 times 3, so it's just repeating, right? We don't really care the order. But I'm looking for the ones that equal 13. So which ones would equal 13? These two, right? So I take my 1 and I put it up here. I take the 12 and I put it up here. All right? These two equal 13. Those are the ones we choose. Now, 1 divided by 2 is a fraction. I don't want to do any decimals. So I have x plus 1 divided by 2. And then 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we do x plus 6. Now, our rule says if you have a fraction, bottoms up. So that is 2x plus 1. We just took the bottom of the fraction and put it up there. And then we have x plus 6. That's the answer. That is the quadratic factored, right? If I look at this one, another one, we got 3 times 14, and then we have 23, divide by 3, divide by 3, right? So 3 times 14, how many people know what 3 times 14 is without a calculator? We can figure it out, right? 30 plus 12, 42. Here's what I'll tell you to do. We're going to use our calculators a lot for this. All we have to do is add a graph, right? We don't really care about the graph, but we're going to add a graph. And you always do the number divided by x. So 3 times 14 divided by x. That's the only thing you have to remember, is to divide by x. I don't care about the picture, but I do menu 7 to get a table. And that gives me the factors. 1 times 42, 2 times 21, 3 times 14, and so on. If it's a decimal, we don't care about it, right? So which ones equal 23? 1 and 42 doesn't. 2 and 21, that'll add up to 23. So that's the ones we choose. 2 here, 21 there. This one is a fraction, x plus 2 over 3. And then x, 21 divided by 3 is 7, so that's x plus 7. Again, bottoms up. So we do, well, it's not 2, sorry. 3x plus 2. And then x plus 7. So that right there is the factor of this. Okay.